6 weeks. 6 weeks. There's no words. So this is a fabulous friend of mine from the yard I used to keep my horse at. She had waited, 6 weeks. She'd had to keep rearranging appointments and oh my God. So when she turned, first of all, I was amazed she'd only lost one. She's a horsey girl and she's a teenager, so that's a combination that would normally mean you'd be left with nothing. So there's a fair bit of lifting, but on the whole I was really happy with how these had lasted. So I've filed off right down to a thin clear base. As you can see, I'd removed all the lifting. Some of the nails, there was a little bit of damage on the nail from where they'd lifted and she'd obviously caught them, but on the whole the nails were fine. So I've removed all of that previous set. I'm then going to do my cuticle work and do my natural nail prep, so they've got a nice base to work on. Now in this situation, I, again, like all my other maintenances, I don't reshape. Now I will do my maintenance and then get that shape back. So all I'm really worried about is getting the base ready to take the new set of nails. So now prepping that natural nail. And then I'm going to start doing the very classic, nice simple set of nails. Quick pop on a tip on that little finger, and then we're good to go. So I'm applying a thin, clear base, and then we're coming in with CJP Beach Walk. Now this is the colour that my client chose because she just wanted something nice and neutral. She's going back to school, so she just wanted a nice neutral set. And also, you know, if she ends up going another 6 weeks, it's a nice simple, it's a nudish colour, so it's not going to be really obvious when they're growing out. So I'm going to apply that colour, and then I do the whole, are you happy with that? Do you like that? Are we right with this colour? And then I'll carry on with the rest of the set. So on to the next nail, and we're going to do the same on every single nail. So just applying that thin, clear base, and then applying the colour, and then we will cap all of these in clear as well. The reason I cap all of my colours in clear is because even though they're strength powders, I would rather use them as a design powder and save my colours and then just cap in clear. Okay, so this nail, as you can see, there is a fair amount of feathering near the tip of the nail. Now, if that nail had actually broken, had torn, if there was signs of blood or like actual damage, then I would not be working on this nail. So I just want to kind of throw this out there that yes, you can see that bit of feathering, but in my experience, you pop your acrylic over the top of that and your acrylic will act as an armour just while that grows out. Whereas if she'd actually like broken the nail like further down and there was damage and actual injury, I wouldn't be working on that now. So just that little disclaimer, because there's always someone that has to comment. So that's the first hand done, and I wanted to show you the second hand, but again, it is all exactly the same. This is a very basic set of nails, but I figured I filmed it, so I might as well share it with you guys. So again, just applying all the colour, capping, and then we're done. And then I'm going to come in and file. Now what I am going to do when I file these in is I'm going to use my conical bit. I honestly can't remember what this one is called. It's another Atwood bit from Petra. And as you can see, I'm getting underneath and I'm removing the natural nail from underneath. It just really tidies up the nails. Also, as I said, she's a horsey girl, so you can get a bit dirty things underneath. So I file out underneath, so it then just looks just nice, neater, tidier, nicer set of nails. I'm then reshaping all of those nails, so I'm bringing in the sides, tapering them in how she wants them, and I think this is one of my favorite things. I kind of love this transformation when you go from a really overgrown set and they look kind of like, they look squares at the moment, don't they, and then to just taper them off and just and you go away and you just feel like yes ladies, I know what I'm talking about. It makes me happy. And then when I'm filed in, dusted, everything like that, I'm then going to come in with the Ugly Duckling matte top coat because she wanted a matte finish to her nails. So I'm applying this top coat to all of these nails and then popping in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then when they've come out the lamp, let them cool, and then just removing that tacky layer, and we're all done. So I'm just going to apply some cuticle oil and we're finished. So here is a set of nails that unfortunately, due to various rearrangement circumstances, she had gone 6 weeks between maintenance. But yeah, I'm really happy with the outcome. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Sorry, I had to pause to sneeze there. So yeah, so there is the transformation. I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye!